True wellness starts from within, at the cellular level. Every cell in our body requires specific nutrients to function correctly, and these nutrients come from the food we consume. Among these essential nutrients, macronutrients stand out as the fundamental building blocks of life. Just like a house needs a strong foundation, our bodies rely on macronutrients to support growth, provide energy, and maintain overall well-being. Understanding macronutrients is not about complicated diets or restrictive eating habits, it's about empowering ourselves with the knowledge to make informed food choices that nourish our bodies from the inside out. Macronutrients are nutrients that our bodies need in larger quantities compared to micronutrients, like vitamins and minerals. They provide the calories, the units of energy, that fuel our every move, thought, and bodily function. Think of macronutrients as the fuel that keeps your engine running. Without enough fuel, our bodies simply cannot perform at their best. We might feel sluggish, experience brain fog, or lack the energy to engage in our favorite activities. In the realm of macronutrients, we have three main players: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each of these macronutrients has a unique role to play in keeping us healthy and functioning at our best. Carbohydrates are our primary energy source, proteins are essential for growth and repair, and fats are crucial for hormone production and cell function. When we talk about macronutrients, we're referring to carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These macronutrients provide us with the energy we need to power through our days and the building blocks to grow, repair, and thrive. Carbohydrates, composed of sugars and starches, are the primary fuel source for our bodies, especially our brains and muscles. They provide that quick burst of energy we need to tackle a workout, or simply get through a busy afternoon. Proteins, made up of amino acids, are essential for muscle growth, tissue repair, and the production of enzymes and hormones. Imagine your body as a high-performance machine, constantly in motion. Just as a car needs gasoline to run, our bodies rely on the energy derived from macronutrients to fuel our every move. Carbohydrates, often referred to as carbs, are the body's preferred source of energy. They are broken down into glucose, a simple sugar that our cells can readily use for fuel. Whether we're sprinting towards a finish line or focusing on a work task, carbohydrates provide the readily available energy our bodies crave. Proteins, while also contributing to energy production, are primarily known for their role in building and repairing tissues. Fats, often demonized in the world of nutrition, are actually essential for our health and well-being. They play a crucial role in hormone production, insulation, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K. Furthermore, fats provide a concentrated source of energy, offering more than twice the calories per gram compared to carbohydrates and proteins. Healthy, unsaturated fats, found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are beneficial for heart health and overall well-being. On the other hand, saturated and trans fats found in many processed foods and fatty animal products should be consumed in moderation. Understanding the different types of fats and their effects on our bodies is crucial for making informed dietary choices. In the bustling metropolis of our bodies, proteins reign supreme as the master architects. Proteins are involved in nearly every aspect of cellular function, from transporting oxygen to orchestrating metabolic processes. Imagine proteins as long chains of interconnected building blocks known as amino acids. These amino acids are linked together in specific sequences to create thousands of different proteins, each with a specialized role. Some proteins provide structure and support, forming the scaffolding of our cells and tissues. Others act as enzymes, speeding up chemical reactions and enabling essential metabolic processes. Of the 20 amino acids that our bodies use to build and repair tissues, 9 are considered essential. These essential amino acids must be obtained through our diet, making it crucial to consume protein-rich foods regularly. Think of essential amino acids as the irreplaceable pieces of a puzzle. Without them, the picture of our health remains incomplete. Each essential amino acid plays a unique role in protein synthesis and overall health. For instance, leucine is crucial for muscle protein synthesis while tryptophan is a precursor to serotonin. Nature provides an abundance of protein-rich foods to nourish our bodies. Animal products such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy are considered complete protein sources. These foods provide all 9 essential amino acids in the right proportions. However, you don't have to rely solely on animal products to meet your protein needs. Plant-based protein sources such as beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds are also excellent sources of protein. Combining different plant-based protein sources throughout the day can provide all the essential amino acids your body needs. Just as a painter uses a diverse palette of colors, we should strive to consume a variety of protein sources. Experimenting with different types of meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds can add excitement to your meals. For those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, it's especially important to ensure adequate consumption of all essential amino acids. Combining different plant-based protein sources throughout the day can help create complete protein meals. Incorporating protein-rich snacks can help boost protein intake throughout the day. Carbohydrates stand out as the body's primary fuel source. From the moment we wake up to the time we rest, our bodies are constantly utilizing carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are found in a wide array of foods, both plant-based and processed. From the natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables to the starches present in grains and legumes, carbohydrates come in various forms. Understanding the different types of carbohydrates and their roles in our diet is essential for making informed food choices. Simple carbohydrates, also known as simple sugars, are made up of short chains of sugar molecules. They are found naturally in fruits, vegetables, and milk, and are also added to many processed foods and beverages. Simple carbohydrates are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, providing a rapid surge of energy. However, consuming large amounts of simple sugars can lead to spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Over time, a diet high in added sugars can increase the risk of weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic health problems. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, are made up of long chains of sugar molecules. They are found in whole grains, legumes, starchy vegetables, and some fruits. Complex carbohydrates take longer to digest and absorb, providing a slow and steady release of energy. This sustained energy release helps to stabilize blood sugar levels and keep us feeling fuller for longer. In addition to providing sustained energy, complex carbohydrates are also excellent sources of fiber. A high-fiber diet has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. When it comes to carbohydrates, it's about making informed choices that prioritize nutrient-dense sources. Instead of reaching for sugary drinks and processed snacks, opt for whole, unprocessed carbohydrates. Embrace the goodness of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Experiment with different types of grains to add variety and flavor to your diet. Enjoy sugary treats occasionally, but make whole, unprocessed carbohydrates the foundation of your diet. Beyond the myths, understanding the importance of fats. Fats, in the right forms and quantities, are essential for our bodies to function optimally. Our bodies rely on fats to support a wide range of physiological processes. They provide a concentrated source of energy, offering more than twice the calories per gram compared to carbohydrates and proteins. Fats play a crucial role in hormone production, influencing everything from our mood and sleep cycles to our metabolism and reproductive health. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are beneficial for heart health and overall well-being. Saturated fats, often labeled as the bad fats, are typically solid at room temperature. While saturated fats have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease when consumed in excess, they are not inherently bad. Consuming large amounts of saturated fats can raise levels of LDL cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart disease. However, some saturated fats, such as those found in coconut oil and dark chocolate, may offer health benefits when consumed in moderation. Moderation is key to enjoying these fats as part of a balanced diet. Unsaturated fats, often hailed as the good fats, are typically liquid at room temperature and are found abundantly in plant-based foods such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, as well as in fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel. These heart-healthy heroes play a vital role in maintaining optimal cholesterol levels, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall cardiovascular health. Imagine unsaturated fats as the guardians of our hearts, working tirelessly to keep our arteries clear and our blood flowing smoothly. They can help to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, while raising levels of HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, which acts like a scavenger, picking up excess cholesterol in the bloodstream and transporting it back to the liver for removal. Trans fats, often lurking in processed foods and baked goods, are the true villains of the fat world, posing significant health risks, even in small amounts. These artificial fats are created through a process called hydrogenation, which involves adding hydrogen atoms to liquid unsaturated fats, turning them into solid fats at room temperature. This process extends the shelf life of foods but comes at a steep price to our health. Think of trans fats as unwanted guests at a dinner party. They contribute nothing positive and only serve to disrupt the harmony. Trans fats have been shown to raise LDL cholesterol levels, lower HDL cholesterol levels, and increase inflammation throughout the body, significantly increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic health problems. In fact, trans fats are so detrimental to our health that the World Health Organization has called for their elimination from the global food supply. We've explored the unique roles of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, uncovering their contributions to our health. Now let's delve into balancing these macronutrients, creating a harmonious symphony of nutrition. Just as music needs balance, so does our diet, relying on the right proportions of macronutrients. Imagine your plate as a canvas adorned with nutrient-dense foods. While the ideal balance varies, a good starting point is 45 to 65% of calories from carbohydrates, 10 to 35% from protein, 20 to 35% from fats. These ranges provide a framework for balancing your macronutrient intake, ensuring your body thrives. Section 2. Personalizing your plate factors influencing macronutrient needs. Our macronutrient needs are unique, influenced by factors like lifestyle and health goals. Personalizing our plates can optimize nutrient intake. Athletes may need more carbs for energy, while those managing weight might benefit from more protein and healthy fats. Section 3. Seeking guidance. The role of a nutrition professional. Navigating nutrition can be overwhelming with conflicting information and trends. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one may not work for another. A qualified nutrition professional can help balance your macronutrients and create a personalized plan. They assess your dietary habits, identify deficiencies, and develop a tailored nutrition plan. They provide evidence-based recommendations and support for sustainable dietary changes. Section 1. Empowering ourselves through nutritional knowledge. Understanding macronutrients fuels our bodies, builds tissues, and supports health. Like a conductor guiding an orchestra, we can create a balanced diet. Choose nutrient-dense foods, savor each bite, and listen to your body. This fosters a positive, sustainable relationship with food and health. Section 2. Your journey to a healthier you. As you embark on this journey of nutritional awareness, remember that small, sustainable changes can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. Start by incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Experiment with new recipes, explore different cuisines, and discover the joy of preparing nourishing meals at home. And don't hesitate to seek guidance from qualified healthcare professionals, such as registered dietitians or nutritionists, who can provide personalized advice and support tailored to your individual needs and goals. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense, and by prioritizing nourishing your body from the inside out, you're setting the stage for a vibrant and fulfilling life. Here's to a healthier, happier you.